we have learned about different types of salts on the basis of their pH. Now, let us determine the pH of some salts through an activity. Activity 2.14. Collect the following salt samples: sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Check their solubility in water. Use distilled water, that is the water, purified water free from the minerals and salt ions. Check the action of these solutions on litmus and find the pH using a pH paper. Each of the salts are acidic, basic, or neutral. Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. Report your observations in Table 2.4. Table 2.14. Salts with their solubility, approximate pH value, parent acid and parent base. Serial number, given salt, formula, solubility in water, action on litmus, pH approximate, parent acid and parent base. First one, sodium chloride formula NaCl. It is soluble in water. Since it is neutral salt, no response towards blue and red litmus paper, so the pH is 7. Parent acid is HCl and parent base is NaOH. Second one, potassium nitrate, formula KNO3, soluble, no response, pH 7. The parent acid HNO3 and base KOH. Third one, aluminum chloride, formula AlCl3, it is soluble in water. It turns blue litmus to red, so it is acidic in nature, so the pH value is lesser than 7. Parent acid HCl and base AlOH thrice. Then fourth one, zinc sulfate, formula ZnSO4, soluble, turns blue litmus to red, so acidic in nature, pH less than 7. Parent acid H2SO4 and base ZnOH twice. Next one, copper sulfate, formula CuSO4, soluble in water. It turns red, so it turns blue litmus to red, so it is acidic in nature, pH less than 7. Parent acid H2SO4 and parent base CuOH twice. Next one, sodium acetate, formula CH3COONa, soluble in water. It turns red litmus to blue, so it is basic in nature, so the pH will be above 7. Parent acid CH3COOH and parent base NaOH. Next one, sodium carbonate, formula Na2CO3, soluble in water. It turns red litmus to blue, so basic in nature, pH value greater than 7. Parent acid H2CO3 and base NaOH. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3 formula, soluble in water, turns blue, red litmus to blue, greater than 7 pH value, and acid, parent acid H2CO3 and parent base NaOH. Hello students, in the previous session we have learned about the families of salts and the different types of salts. Let us learn about common salt and the chemicals formed by common salt. Common salt is required by the living organisms to control various psychological activities. Chemically, it is sodium chloride NaCl and it is a white crystalline solid. It is also called table salt. Laboratory preparation of sodium chloride can be done by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Chemicals from common salt. The common salt is an important raw material for many materials of daily use. Some of these compounds are caustic soda NaOH, washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O, baking soda NaHCO3 and bleaching powder CaOCl2. Let us study preparation and uses of some of these compounds. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Preparation. Sodium hydroxide is prepared by passing electricity through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, also known as brine. As a result of electrolysis, chlorine gas is given at anode and hydrogen gas is obtained at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. 2NaCl plus 2H2O and passing electricity gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. This process is known as chlor-alkali process due to the formation of the chlorine and sodium hydroxide, that is an alkali, as the products. The uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used as a fuel in margarine, that is in the preparation of artificial ghee, and in ammonia, which in turn used to manufacture fertilizers. Chlorine, as it is an disinfectant, it is used in the water treatment, swimming pools, in the preparation of PVC, CFC and pesticides. Sodium hydroxide, it is used as a decreasing metals, that is in cleaning metals. Hydrogen combines with chlorine and gives hydrochloric acid, that is used for cleaning steel and for preparation of ammonium chloride and in medicines and cosmetics. Chlorine combines with sodium hydroxide and form bleach, that is for household bleaches and bleaching fabric. It is used in